Hello, I am waiting here in the parking lot, just resting before I drive. I wanted to share with you what I learned from my interaction with the College of Western Idaho's medical examiner, whom they ordered to disprove that they had caused me mental or psychological harm. Their examiner interpreted some of my gestures as being, resistant, and what was the other term? I forget the other term. But these are gestures that the Basotho would interpret differently. And here is my suggestion. Psychologists, social workers, if you have not worked with people outside your culture, may I suggest that you learn about those cultures before you make legal statements. Thank you so much for listening and have a spectacular day.